Well, here's one that bit me in the butt when I bought this RV. It's about tires. And let me show you here on my RV. There's a little hidden clue that tells you how old a tire is. So just hang in there and I'll show you. See that place right there? It says 4405. 4405 tells you the week and the year that the tire was made. Okay, so why is that important? 4405 for this particular tire, which is my spare. Now let me get back to tell you why that's important. That number that you saw, 4405, is the Department of Transportation code. And it tells you that that tire was manufactured in the 44th week of the year ending in 05 in 2005. Now this is 2026, which makes that tire, which is my spare, what, 21 years old. You're not supposed to run tires that are over 10 years old. You're supposed to change them around 6 because the rubber just gets bad. So I didn't know that. So when I got my RV and I took it into a mechanic, he said, "You're going to need all new tires." Now mine's a dually, which means there's 2 in the front and there's 4 tires in the back, which means there's 6 tires. And if you include the spare, that's 7 tires. And the tires had plenty of tread on them. They were just too old. The guy who I bought it from had just parked it in his backyard and used it kind of like a small apartment that when friends and relatives came, they would just stay in. So he didn't drive it. Tires looked good, but they just fell apart. They weren't any good at all. So I ended up having to pay for 6 new tires, which for an RV are very expensive. You're looking maybe, at least for mine, it was it $1,200 for 6 tires? So that's a cost that you need to look at. Take a look and find the manufacture date on the tires before you purchase an RV, because they might be too old. All right, thanks.